little friends.
Hi!
Let's sing together. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Ba ba, happy sheep skipping by the tree, laughing and dancing, so sweet and free. Soft fluffy wool, warm as can be, sharing with everyone, you and me.
Ba ba, happy sheep, come along and play, sing and dance all through the day.
Ba ba, rainbow sheep, colors shining bright, red and blue and yellow, sparkling in the light. Wool like magic clouds, glowing in the sky, sharing with the world, oh me, oh my.
Ba ba, rainbow sheep, we love you so,
Paint the world with colors everywhere you go. Ba ba, white sheep, ba ba, brown, ba ba, spotted sheep, dancing all around. All are woolly friends, soft and sweet and kind, sharing love and laughter to everyone they find.
Ba ba, black sheep, sing with me,
Happy little song.
1, 2, 3. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, our hearts are full. Sharing, caring every day. Come back again and sing and play.
Ba ba, black sheep, time to say goodbye.
Wave your hands and reach for the sky. Wave, wave, goodbye little friends.